Why do we do this? Hello, so today I am going to use this pickle palette. I talked about it in my Mask Monday yesterday, but yes, this is the pickle palette. This is Sugar Drizzle Cosmetics. Super pretty. Okay, I'm going to work, but I'm going to do a very light look with this. So I was thinking about taking a color from in here just to do my crease with. I think that I'm going to take, ooh, I was thinking that one, but then I saw that one. I'm like, ooh, that would pair well with green. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take that I Am Happy one. Cool. Just kind of set my crease, I guess you could say. I've seen some people doing that, so I'm gonna try it very lightly. Going to work. Going to work. It's kind of nice looking down like this into the mirror because I can see where my bone is because I have super hooded eyes. What are you doing, Johnny? Alright. So we're also having a mole slash vole slash we don't know problem. We've tried to solve it ourselves, but finally decided to call a extermination pest, I don't know, service for it because clearly what we were doing wasn't working to get rid of them. So okay, that's cool. It's just kind of like a mustardy, yeah, mustardy type color there for the crease. Again, super hooded eyes, so it's fine. Okay, so pickle. Paint me green and call me a pickle, because I'm done dealing with you. Super cute. Super cute. Alright, look at those colors. It's amazing. Alright, starting from this end. So that one is called the Fried Pickles. The dark purple one is Pickle Juice. And this one here, this is Dill Pickles. That one is Dr. Pickles. That one is In a Pickle. And that last one is Tickle My Pickle. I got my little dollar store color switch here. Again, super light. I'm not even going to switch brushes. I'm just going to use the same brush. So I was thinking about going with that one and then that one on my lid. And first time using this palette. And I think I'm just going to do in the outer corner here. It's blending in nicely with that Ashley Strong palette. Ashley Strong and Morphe. So hilarious. Andy does stuff here on YouTube, one of my friends. She messaged me, no, she didn't message me, she made a comment on that video, my Mask Monday video. She said one of her friends is named Ashley Strong, and so she sent her the link or the image or whatever of that palette. That's amazing. That's like a 1 in a million or a billion chance. Like, wouldn't it be awesome to be able to buy a palette that had your name? Like, and it's like not even your palette, it's just like coincidental.
You make a movie?
Yeah. With my pickle palette.
Pickle.
Pickle. Pickle palette. Yes, indeed. Thanks. Anyway, so I'm going into Dr. Pickles. Just doing that a little darker on the outside. Dr. Pickles. Okay, subtle, but I think it works. Cool. Okay, I'm just going to take that same Dr. Pickles and put it underneath my eyes. And I'm not doing any face makeup because, again, going to work, having to wear a mask whole fucking time. I just stopped with the face makeup. I'll wear it again one day. Oh, I think I might have had something on this brush too. Oh well. Story of my life. I also found I have some zits. I tried to pop that one. It didn't work very well. Good. Okay, now I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue and I'm just going to put this down to help that stuff lay down better. The multichromes, whatever, but I'm not going to take a brush. I'm just going to use my finger. Because I don't need it to be too precise or anything. Oh man, I do not want to go to work. Oh, do not want. Okay, so since I use my fingers, I think I'm just going to use my fingers again, and I'm going to take this one that is dill pickles. Kind of look goldy pink. Man, this is so pretty. Oh my god. I love it. I don't know how well it comes off on camera, but this one is amazing. Multichrome, duochrome, I don't know. Whatever you want to call it. It's awesome. That color is so pretty. Just gonna take this flat brush and I'm gonna take some of that dill pickle color and just put it underneath my eyes. Super pretty. And that goes on well even without glitter primer or anything. Alright, just gonna put a little bit more of the green under my eyes. That other brush didn't seem to work well. That is very nice. And it almost disappears when my eyes are open. Hilarious. Like it a lot, like it a lot. Okay, just gonna take that lighter green, tickle my pickle, and just sort of blend it out here with the other colors. Nice. Nice. Okay. It's a shame I don't do my other makeup. It would look really nice together. Okay, so I'm going to take this Odin's Eye. This is a Norn's Mesmerizer highlighter, but I'm actually going to use this just to do my inner corner. We're going to see what that looks like, and underneath or on top of my brow bone. But just like the blue one I got, look at how pretty that is. Just like a little gemstone. I love it. I'm just making sure this particular brush is nice and clean. Yes, it is. Okay. I'm actually going to try and just get in that iridescent. Yes, in the iridescent parts. See what that looks like. It looks kind of flaky actually, which is weird. Okay. It works. I don't know if you can quite see it on camera here, but it works. Yep, that works. Alright. Now just put a little underneath, or on top of my brow bone. Can't even speak. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Yeah. My dog's behind me, but I can move my chair. Okay, I've already curled my eyelashes, not that it matters much because I have hooded eyes, and the hoods of my eyes just push them down anyways. But I'm still going to put mascara on. So I guess on my next days off we have 2 different wrestling shows to go to. So that's cool. I think it's Freelance Underground and Freelance Wrestling. I don't know. I think Underground is like their own developmental. I don't know. Something like that. Anyways, 2 different shows by Freelance. So that's awesome. So that was the Too Faced mascara. But I'm going to use for my lower lash line the e.l.f. Just because I love that little tiny wand. Why do we do this? We do our mascara. Doesn't seem to do much. Just like making a fishy face. Alright. Let me get a little closer here so we can see what we got going on. Ooh, this is so pretty. That pinky gold. Is that pinky gold? I don't even know. It is just such a pretty color. Yes. Pretty color, pretty color. Sugar drizzle, paint me green, and call me a pickle, because I'm done dealing with you. Eyeshadow palette. I guess that's its full name. I don't know. That's hilarious. So if you want to see more of my week, you can go check out this video here. This was my Mass Monday. I'll talk to you later. Bye.